Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we have something special for you, the Geekom Mini IT12 mini PC. This compact powerhouse is packed with features, and we're going to dive right in to see if it's worth your investment. Let's start with the design and build of the Geekom Mini IT12. Housed in a sleek green metallic casing, this mini PC boasts a compact form factor, making it perfect for those tight spaces or users on the go. The addition of a VESA mount further enhances its portability. Plus, with easily accessible ports and internal components, upgrading or expanding your system is a breeze. Speaking of ports, the Geekom Mini IT12 offers a comprehensive selection, including USB 3.2, USB 4, HDMI 2.0, and a 2.5 GBE LAN port, catering to a variety of peripherals and networking needs. And let's not forget the built-in SD card reader, a fantastic addition for creative professionals. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and equipped with 32 GB of RAM, expandable up to 64 GB. The Geekom Mini IT12 is a multitasking beast. Whether you're tackling office tasks, editing photos and videos, or even indulging in some casual gaming, this mini PC can handle it all. In our tests, the Geekom Mini IT12 delivered impressive results across the board. From Geekbench to Cinebench, this machine consistently demonstrated its capability to handle demanding applications with ease. And with its fast SSD storage, tasks like video editing and data handling are lightning fast. But what sets the Geekom Mini IT12 apart are its features. With Intel Iris Xe graphics, multiple SSD slots, and support for up to 4 displays, this mini PC is a creative powerhouse. And let's not forget about connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, you'll stay connected at blazing speeds. So, should you buy the Geekom Mini IT12? If you're a creative professional or someone who needs a compact yet powerful PC for multitasking, then absolutely. With its solid performance, versatile features, and sleek design, it's a fantastic choice for a wide range of users. And that wraps up our review of the Geekom Mini IT12. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.